Uplift Education Sri Lanka welcomes you to its video tutorials on online application for university admissions. After completing the 2018 G.C.E. Advanced Level Examination successfully, a major problem faced by many students who are expecting to enter the universities is filling the online application. Usually, a book is released by the UGC with guidance to fill this online application. While studying that book, each student would have to fill the application by themselves, and it has caused several issues among students. Therefore, we from Uplift Education Sri Lanka have prepared this video in order to help the students fill this application form successfully. Before we go into filling the application forms, there are some pre-requirements that you need for this online application. They are as follows. 1. A scanned copy of the two sides of the national identity card you used during the G.C.E. AL examinations is necessary. If a certified photograph was used instead of an NIC. Corner gives us the selection of the option of other languages including Sinhala and Tamil. The page also already contains few information that has been fed off the identity card number that we have given. Please provide the date of birth as requested in the page and the place of birth also as requested in the page for registration details. Next, move on to the civil status and mention whether you are married or unmarried. The gender also needs to be selected. Next, we need the scanned copy of the ID that we had earlier said we would need for the application. Here, click on Choose File, which would help you browse through your contents in order to select the scanned copy of the ID that you have. When the file is selected, the file will be uploaded to the page. Next, to confirm the login details, enter your email address. In the Re-Email Address tab, you need to enter the email address again. Similarly, your mobile phone number must be entered in the Mobile Phone Number tab, and your mobile phone number must be re-entered in the Re-Mobile Phone Number tab. Next, we must create a password. A password must be strong and should contain all the requirements that have been necessitated by the administrators of the registration. To learn more details about what needs to be there in the password, you can click on the I mark which is next to the password tab. Please create an original password that you would not forget, because you will need this password for the rest of your application process. Now read through the terms and conditions and click on I agree before you press register. When you press register, a dialog box will appear for you to confirm. Please confirm the dialog box. You will be sent an email and a code. Completing the personal details section of the online registration form, let us meet in the next video of Uplift Education, Sri Lanka.